Yo, 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 everybody! We made it to Old Souls Meat Day in Nebraska. I'm pretty pumped. Also, at the same time, very interested. I legitimately have no idea if another single Del Sol is going to show up today. I know other Hondas are in the local area. I've been hitting it super hard on social media, everywhere I can, locally here, and just chatting with a lot of people. So, but still no Del Sols like saying, yeah, I'm coming. So we'll see. I'm really interested though. But nonetheless, super exciting. I got the car all cleaned up and gonna head out here shortly, but we'll see. This is kind of what I expect, and I'll explain. Like, I know for a fact that Nebraska is a dead zone for Del Sols. There's like 3 or 4 I see routinely in Omaha and the areas. I know there's more. I just don't see them. I see the same ones all the time, and they're not at the other car shows or car meets. So I think they're just regular Del Sol owners, not into the car scene at all, and they just have them. So, but anytime I go to the Honda Pro Jason event, one shows up. I have in contact with 1 or 2 other guys here in the area, and then another guy, Trevor, which you all know from various social media stuff, is over in Iowa. He's not coming today either because his Del Sol's not ready. But like, that's it. That's all I got. So I'm interested to see who and what shows up to the meet today, and I hope I'm surprised. So, but I've got shirts, I've got hats, I got bezels, I got a couple VIN tags, I got some awards to give away, so the usual stuff for an Old Souls meet. Let's see what else. It just looks wonderful, doesn't it, everyone? So yeah, got the Del Sol all cleaned up. It's all clean on the inside, so that's great. And yeah, looks good. I have arrived at the meet location. We are here. I've got plenty of spots. As you can see, God, it'd be great if we filled all these spots. Time will tell. Half hour left. But Del Sol looks fucking great. Looks good, boys. All spiffy clean in there. Looks great. Looks great. Woo! 86 Accord. S2000 all done up. This shit's crazy. all right, we got some cars here finally. That's fucking dope. Let's see. We got an Accord here. Just a bone stock S2000. CRX. That's pretty dope. It's got some sweet ass wheels on it. Love those. Those are cool. Just stock. Got a newer Civic SI. Look at this fucking thing. Got the Dragon Ball Z shifter. Love that.
I think it would lock itself all the way off.
Do you still got balancers on it, or?
No, okay. Or the balance shaft's in there.
Yeah, they're just, yeah.
Apparently that's a huge H22 process.
That's some old school shit right there. They haven't made those in like 15 years.
Well, they put this car together about 15 years ago. Yeah.